Hello! So, drawing in these tiny 3-inch sketch cards is quite a challenge to say the least. Not only am I adjusting my scale, but coloring can be hard too. The nib of a color marker most of the time is wider than the edges of my drawings. But who cares? I'm loving the challenge. Today, we're doing Mikasa Ackerman from Attack on Titan. Mikasa Ackerman is one of the titular characters of the awesome anime Attack on Titan. She is considered one of the best soldiers among the 104th Training Corps. She later enlists in the Survey Corps to follow and protect Eren, becoming one of its greatest assets as Eren rose through the ranks. Her connection to Eren Yeager deserves a bit of a mention. They both witnessed a horrible tragedy involving the death of Eren's mother when they were kids and the fall of the Wall Maria. And ever since then, she has been protected, if not kinda like indebted to Eren ever since. No spoilers here, but as the anime had progressed, it's hard to say if Mikasa is a hero or a villain. Regardless, her story arc added to the awesomeness of Attack on Titan. The anime is definitely worth a watch if you haven't seen it yet. But for those who have, I know you've binge watched twice at the very least. Anyway, guys, I give to you Mikasa Ackerman from Attack on Titan. Enjoy.